Ladies and gentlemen, it is possible to create an income source that works for you even while you are sleeping, spending time with family members or friends, or doing any other business. Today in this short video, I would like to share with you 5 easiest ways to make money while you sleep. Number 5. Rent out your property. You can rent out your home while not in use. You can also rent out your garage, parking space or unused office space. It's nice extra income without really doing anything but placing an ad on online. Number 4. Create an online course. Online courses require no maintenance once they are launched. If you have a skill of any sort, you can make money teaching it online. Online courses can be a great source of passive income. You create a value-backed online course that helps to solve a problem or fills a need. The course can include videos, ebooks, and emails with relevant information. There are many places you can build online courses such as Udemy or Teachable. You can teach about anything, but you should stick to what you know. Number 3. Start a blog. Opening your own blog is quite easy and you need a very low investment. There are many ways to make money from a blog. You can monetize and make money from contextual ads such as Google AdSense, Media.net, Taboola.com and Outbrain.com. Also, you can sell ad space directly to any interested company. For the most passive efforts, you should focus on SEO so that search engine can help deliver traffic to you. Number 2. Amazon self-published books. This is a good example of passive income. If you are a fiction or non-fiction writer, you can publish your books on Amazon and make money from your own book. Write something great and publish it. Then you will need to market it and use all the Amazon has to offer to increase your sales. You will need to write high quality work and try to develop a following. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is mainly the process of earning a commission by promoting somebody else's product. There are 2 main ways most people do affiliate marketing, and they are information products and Amazon partners. Before you start affiliate marketing, it helps have at least a basic knowledge of search engine optimization and copywriting. Thanks for watching. If you need business ideas, business plan and investment tips, you can visit the website businessdaily24.com. I'll be glad if you like the video and give me some ideas on how I can improve my videos. And don't forget to subscribe.